Hey, welcome back to MacCustoms. So today we have a 2009, it's a Honda TRX450R. This thing has been backfiring, it's been bogging, it's been stalling, can't keep it running. This thing came to us after being at the Honda dealer for a couple of years. Like it actually sat there for a couple of years. There was nothing that they could do to fix it. So when we brought it here, something we found out. We cleaned the carbs, we drained the tank. It was at the point that we figured it had to be in the carb. Something we found out about this bike, these bikes actually have a mid section to the carb. So if you can see in here, there's a couple screws that you have to take out here. Like this section disconnects from the bowl and the upper portion. So there's 4 screws in the lower part, and when you go inside, there's 2 more screws to take off. Inside this section, it's full of O-rings and gaskets. So I'm going to take you over to the bench. I'll show you what we had before. So if you want to try to, so you can see this is just, it's all flattened, it's all worn down from the gas, it's all, wasn't doing anything. Same thing with all of these O-rings, they're all flat. There's actually a couple of them that are broke in spots. So that is what was going on. This here, if you need, is called a mid-body jet block kit. So that is the part number. These are the bikes that it fits. I'm sure it fits other bikes as well, but that's what you'd be looking for. So if you have a TRX that is just continuously bogging, can't keep it running, give that a try. It is most likely your problem. So what we're going to do is we are going to start this thing up then.
Go ahead, you can fire it up.
Okay, fire it up again.
You won't need to give it any gas, just...
Thanks. So if you have any issues with TRX450R, or there's also a 450ER model, give that a check. It's probably something in your car. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave us a comment. If you have one of these bikes and you had some other issues, let us know what was going on. Thanks again for stopping by MacCustoms, and we'll see you in the next video.
I'd just like to say it was the bike, it would start, and once it warmed up, it would kind of take the fuel. But to start it cold, it would backfire out the intake, kind of like a valve problem, which we knew we didn't have. And yeah, do all kinds of cranky things. Wasn't fun to deal with. That's it, guys.